Right now I'm standing at Manipur, and the situation of Manipur we all know that was volatile on May 2023 when the clashes had erupted between the two communities, that is Kuki and Meitei, over the status of the scheduled tribes after the Manipur court had ordered. And even the opposition has also raised these issues that why Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not visiting the state when the situation had turned volatile out there. After that, the situation had turned very much volatile and the Chief Minister had to resign over these issues.
Why has the Prime Minister of India not gone to Manipur till today? It's a puzzle that I cannot answer. He is the Prime Minister of our country. A state is burning for 4 months. The government has absolutely no control over it. The government has essentially surrendered. And the Prime Minister does not think that he has a responsibility to go to the state to try and calm things down. It's a shocking thing to me.
And now the day has come when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Manipur. He will be visiting the two separate places, that is one Churachandrapur, that he will be visiting for the first one, and the second will be Imphal, where he will be inaugurating several development projects. Now the people of the Manipur is looking forward regarding the development plans, and they also want for the development of Manipur, and they want the Manipur to develop very much, be it roadside, be it education side, or be it another thing or anything, whatever is important for the Manipur. And the most important thing, what they want for the Manipur is the peace. That is what people of the Manipur is looking forward to the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi today.